Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today I'll be making flower coasters, and this technique is really easy, therefore suitable for beginners. These coasters were inspired by a lovely resin artist, Marlies from Netherlands. Hello, Marlies! Her account name on Instagram is Marlies Visual Artist. I am using super fabulous mold from company Molds and Shapes, and I'll be using curl pigments and Arteza mica, and my resin today is Resin Art Pro from Resin Pro Company. If you like videos about resin, consider to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell, so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So, first things first, I poured a little bit of resin in cups, so I make the color for my petals. Here you can see I'm mixing my lovely blue color. And in other cup I'll have white color. I love using curl pigments for these kind of projects because I find very handy that you can add pigment drop by drop, and you can see if you need add more, it's easy to add. And in my third cup I decided to put Arteza mica pigment so that my flower would have some sheen look. I am mixing everything very well. And after this, we are going to take our transparent resin and pour equally into our coaster molds, so that is going to be our base for our flowers. Right, I just poured my transparent resin and popped bubbles with heat gun. Now I am making my flower center, and this time I am using little stones because the flower what I was trying to recreate is a cornflower. Right, now that that's been done, the next step is take piping bags, 3 of them, one for each color, and put the colors in them. Cut a little hole and start going in circles around and around. Oh wow, that was quite satisfying to watch. Now I'm using my silicone stick. I'm making lines to create the petals for the flowers. Last torch for the final bubbles, and then I am going to cover them, and we're going to see soon for the unmolding part. Right, it is the next day. 24 hours later, they are all cured and dry. And now we are going to see the result. They come out very easy. And this is the front. And it looks really, really great. I am pleased. Moving on to my second coaster, it comes out very easy again, and here is, wow, I really like it. I love this mold so much. All molds from company molds and shapes are just amazing and dream to work with. In future, I definitely gonna be getting more of them. And the last one. Here we go. Very nice flower. I'm very happy with these coasters. So I'm going to cover them with a top layer, and you're gonna see the finished result just in a little bit. And here are my little cornflower coasters ready. I think they look amazing. I am very pleased. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving a comment. But for now, I say bye. and see you in my next video. Until then, keep creating. Bye!